Welcome back, Crammers, to question 16. Show that 3 over 8 divided by 27 over 32 is equal to 4 over 9. Now remember, when dividing by a fraction, we can simply find its reciprocal and multiply instead. So 3 over 8 multiplied by 27 over 32 flipped is simply 32 over 27 is equal to 4 over 9. Now we can find the factors between 3 and 27. The highest common factor is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Same for 8 and 32. The highest common factor is 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. And 32 divided by 8 is 4. Now we multiply as is. So we get 4 times 1 over 9 times 1 is equal to 4 over 9. 4 times 1 is 4 over 9 times 1 is 9, which is equal to 4 over 9. Show that 5 over 6 minus 3 over 8 is equal to 11 over 24. Now, we cannot subtract straight away. We have to find the same denominator for both of these, finding the highest common multiple. The highest common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. Now, we have to convert these fractions in order to subtract. So, 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. We copy the subtraction sign. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. This is equal to 11 over 24. 20 minus 9 is 11. We simply write the same denominator. And this is equal to 11 over 24. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.